guys, my name is Gail and welcome to my channel. It is now 1 minute after 3. I'm about to have lunch and I think I'm just gonna have some food I was gonna have tonight. It's leftovers that I've made on Monday already. It's just a stir fry with some rice. So I'm gonna have that and then I'll check back with you guys later. So I have been working on these charms and I want to take some photos so that I can put them online. So lunch is over here and I'm gonna enjoy that quickly because I am so hungry. I know my plate looks big, but that's actually a smaller size dinner plate. Just to prove it, this is my plate that I use and this is a regular dinner size plate. I like to use a small plate so I can portion control, as you can see. That's the time and I'm gonna do a shoot outside quickly. So I'm taking this downstairs and out to my garden and I want to quickly do a photo shoot, or at least just get some pics for my website. But this is the backdrop I'm planning on using. It's a dual backdrop and I got it for a good price, I think. But I'm just waiting for it to dry. I wiped it down. It was at my studio and it got really dusty there because I haven't been there whole week. So like a bird going crazy. I'm just gonna put it over here and then see if I can take a few nice photos. But I also need to collect some flowers because I want to preserve the flowers for some resin crafts. What to do next? Let's see. Kill. take this up and also have to take this up, and then I have to put this in that, I think it's silica something, I can't remember the name, just to preserve the flowers, but I have to do it tonight if I want to preserve it. Still is now. I don't know why I always try and you can't tell. 12 minutes past 5, and I've just finished the shoot outside. So that was, yeah, that was good. I'm on my way to my studio. We've got a smash the cake shoot on today. I don't think I'm going to show you guys any of it. Maybe just before and after, because you know, yeah, I don't want to be taking footage when I have clients in the studio unless we've pre-arranged. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, hi guys, Gail here. So it is Sunday, and today we had a photo shoot. It was a smash the cake photo shoot, but I'm not going to insert footage of the actual smash the cake or the setup because I just didn't take anything. But I'll probably post something on my social media. Thank you for watching. Bye.